Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Zendrop, AutoDS, and CJ Dropshipping, and we'll help you decide which dropshipping platform is best for 2025. So first, we will give an overview for each platform. Zendrop focuses on US-centric fast shipping, branded packaging, and curated product selection, while AutoDS emphasizes automation, product imports, price monitoring, order fulfillment across multiple suppliers. CJ Dropshipping offers a large global supplier network with integration for e-commerce stores and custom sourcing. Next, we will evaluate product selection and sourcing. Zendrop curates trending products, ensuring quality control, but may have fewer categories, while AutoDS connects with multiple marketplaces such as AliExpress and Walmart, giving broad variety but variable quality. CJ Dropshipping has its own factories and warehouse worldwide, so you can source custom items and enjoy faster shipping from local warehouses in many regions. Consequently, if you want curated, reliable items quickly, Zendrop is good. For broad automation across many suppliers, AutoDS works. For custom products or regional warehouses, CJ Dropshipping shines. Then, we will compare automation and integration. For AutoDS, it has prides on powerful automation, auto-listing, price optimization, stock monitoring with one-click imports, while Zendrop automates order processing but may require manual tweaks for branding. On the other hand, CJ Dropshipping offers order automation through initial setup and can be more hands-on for custom sourcing. Therefore, for the highest automation, AutoDS leads. For easy branded packaging plus automation, Zendrop will do. For custom product sourcing automation, CG Dropshipping is the choice. Moreover, we will examine shipping times and costs. Zendrop's US warehouses often deliver within 2 to 5 days domestically, while AutoDS depends on suppliers. It often uses AliExpress standard shipping, which means longer times, while CJ Dropshipping has global warehouses. Shipping times may vary by region but can be optimized by selecting local warehouses. Thus, if fast US shipping is vital, Zendrop is strong. For global search with local fulfillment, CJ Dropshipping. For multiple supplier options with caution on shipping, AutoDS will do. Additionally, we will consider their pricing and fees. Zendrop charges subscription fees plus product cost, while AutoDS has tiered pricing based on number of storefronts and automation features. CJ Dropshipping generally has no monthly fee but may include service fees or require minimum order sizes. So to summarize that, if budget conscious, choose CJ Dropshipping. For automation budget, choose AutoDS. For premium service and branding costs, Zendrop is good. So furthermore, we will look at support and reliability. Zendrop offers dedicated support and order tracking portals, while AutoDS provides tutorials and chat support for automation issues. CJ Dropshipping has support, but language or time zone may vary. However, community and guides help. If reliable support is key, Zendrop or AutoDS may edge out. So in summary, choose Zendrop for fast US shipping, branding options, and curated products if you mind subscription costs. Choose AutoDS if you prioritize deep automation across many suppliers and marketplaces. Choose CJ Dropshipping if you need custom product sourcing, global warehouse options, and minimal subscription fees. Always test with small orders to gauge quality, shipping times, and platforms usability before scaling. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.